I've done is we've cleaned and prepped, painted both doors to be replaced. What we're going to do is pull these 4 caps off this side, and there's 4 caps on the other side that hold these hinges in. Once these caps are pulled off, we'll find a bolt back there, and we'll get that bolt out of the way. Probably not the best tool for doing this, but there we go. There's 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4 each side. Then I'll have my, get the other door to put in. I have my wife guide the hinges in, and we'll tighten them down. So let's see what we can get done. About 14 maybe. Good guess. When we put these back in, we're going to have to put them on the end of the socket and then run them in by hand, because you won't be able to get your fingers in there. So the only adjustment I see in here for these doors is up and down, no forward and backwards, so we should be alright. And this should just slide right on out. Just like that. Alright, so we're going to do the other one. We'll get them both out, and then we'll come back and put the other ones in. Thank you. Both doors off. I'll show you a little secret in here. If you look in here, you'll see where the washer was painted over. 9 times out of 10, when you go to put this back in, just snug them up a little bit to where you get a little bit of movement. And if you can cover that area back up with the washer, you'll be right back where you need to be for the doors to line up really nice. They've got a lot of up and down adjustment, but not much in and out, so shouldn't be awfully hard. But that's all, folks. Okay. Start it straight. Alright, one on the bottom.
Bottom here or bottom there?
There. Okay. As you can see, just putting them in by hand. All you have to do is start them a couple turns by hand, and then you should be able to run them in with the wrench. And we're going to turn around and do the exact same on this other door here, and then we'll tune them. So here we go. We got them in. They're looking pretty good. Nice and tight seal, which is what we want. Got to put the plugs back in. Got a little bit of body adjusting to do right here. Really not too bad of a deal. Oh, the tape's on there to keep that piece of gasket pulled out right there, or weather stripping, so that it'll mold to the body. Got the lock in. Still looks good. So looks like we got to adjust this door up just a little bit. We'll take them bolts loose a little so we can't pry her up anymore. Righty. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Pretty good. I like it. And what you're going to see is a little bit of sticking out. You know, here on the bottom, alongside. These sides won't so much, but it might at the top and down along the center. Because the weather stripping is new, so don't totally freak out. And over time, it'll set itself in there and set itself down, and you'll be good to go. So thank you all very much. Thank you all very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. There will be more videos coming as the van progresses.